Hit it.
Alright, this is what we call a bad boy charger, or as Rich Rudman would say, a third world charger. We've got isolation transformers. Basically the charger is two chargers put together in parallel. We've got our one charger here we're stepping up the voltage just a little bit from 240 to 265. We've got a bank of bridge rectifiers rectifying that out. And up top here we've got a setup with a heating element so that we can have a low charger. When we flick the charger on low, all the current has to go through these heating elements before it goes through the bridge rectifiers. And here we've got our meters. We got a AC meter that shows, which is not working right at the moment, but shows the AC power going in voltage. And this is our amperage going out. This is our amp hour gauge and volt gauge. And this intelligent amp meter, we can set the voltage, which we've done. And when it gets up to the prescribed voltage, it will turn off first bank A and then bank B. So it'll taper off. Right now we're kind of at the end of our charge, and we're charging at 85 amps. And this has been a fun project to make, without a doubt. We made all this from used parts and transformers we picked up off of eBay. Like most bad boy chargers, it will start off, if the batteries are too low, we have to start it off on our low range, going through the resistors, because it'll kick on too hard. Then we can kick on one side, and if everything is going right, we can put on the other side, possibly up to 150 amps. Probably more like about 100, though, realistically. We're going to be pulling more amps out of our breaker than what's going into the car, because we're charging a 320 volt pack, 96 lithium batteries. I think our end charge is somewhere around 340 volts. So if you're getting into electric cars for the fun of it, you're going to want to probably build your own charger just for the fun of it also.
Absolutely.
There we go.
And we follow these wires. We'll look here at the DC side, and we're pulling 60 amps, 65, 66, 69, 72, and these wires run over here to these battery banks on this electric big truck, and those are the batteries, and that's what we're charging. We got the meters set up, and so on and so forth, and that's basically it, really. We're going to go and flip this thing over to AC, and we're going to see what's going in here. We got 64, 102 amps going in on the AC side with this 4-aught cable feeding this system here. And there's the little wires right there. And here is a panel with live circuitry in it, and the conduit runs on up into the shop to this special meter that we have, the conduit box, and these wires just go right here and they power up this whole system. And we're still pulling about 102 amps right now. And so we got a little 120 volt, and we got the 240 volt, so we can run some other chargers and things like that. And basically this is the charging system for the electric 18-wheeler that we've built. And that's basically it. Anything else you want to add there, big fella?
Go. It's been a lot of fun.
Absolutely. Thank you, and have a nice day.